Good morning, guys. Today we are going to start a new subject, commerce, for intermediate first year. So commerce, this is a new subject to you. So let me explain what is commerce. Commerce is a business subject related to business. The definition of commerce is the activity of buying and selling, especially on a large scale. Let me clear once again. Generally, commerce refers to, a general meaning of commerce is exchange of goods and services with expecting something in return. So, if we exchange some goods or some services with an intention to get something in return, that is known as commerce. Commerce is a business related subject. So, first of all, we learn about chapter 1, concepts of business. In this chapter you will come to know that what is commerce and what is it dependent on. So concepts of business. What are the concepts of business? First of all, what is business and what is the concept of business? We learn that. So exchange of goods and services with expected return, as we just now learn about that. So, human activity for getting something in return is known as economic activity. Economic activity where you, in the exchange of goods and services, you pay something or you get something in return. If I am giving you the services, you are paying me something, or I am selling you some goods, you are paying in return to me some amount. That is an income for me. That is known as economic activity. The activity in which exchange of goods and profit take place. Generally, remember one thing, profit. If profit is not there in the business, the totally meaning of business will be changed completely. So human activities are divided into economic and non-economic activities. Economic activity is exchange of, just now I said, economic activity is if we sell something on the basis of price or on the basis of profit, is known as economic activity. Without an intention of profit, without an intention of getting something in return, if freely we are giving something, rendering some services, that is known as non-economic activity. And remember one thing, where is economic activity, where economic activity takes place, their business, there will be the successful business. That is known as business. If there is no economic activity, that is not a type of business, not a valid business. Because a business means we should have to expect something in return, where we get some